Hi, welcome to our teacher tutorial on fostering accountability on eSpark. My name is Jess. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to our support team using the blue chat in the bottom right corner of your teacher dashboard. Our first tip for helping keep students accountable is to set specific expectations and goals for your class. We recommend setting a goal around the number of activities students complete and/or the number of minutes they spend on eSpark. For example, one teacher says students are required to complete at least one island as part of their morning work every morning. I usually have every student complete that one island plus extra because they love it. Remember, we recommend that all students use eSpark for about 1 hour per subject per week. Kindergarten to second grade students often use eSpark more frequently and for shorter periods of time, like 15 minutes twice a day. Students in third grade and above often use eSpark less frequently for longer periods of time, for example, 20 to 30 minutes a day or a few days a week. A reasonable goal would be for students to complete at least 1 to 2 activities for both math and reading each day. It can always be helpful to create a visual reminder, such as a poster for your class, to help them keep track of their goals. To help you keep track of your students' daily engagement on eSpark, you can check your activity report. This report allows you to see what your students are working on each day, including an estimated time of their learning. We recommend that you check this report daily or weekly. Let's take a quick look at how to use the activity report. In the teacher dashboard, you access the activity report from the blue bar at the top by clicking on the Activity tab. You can adjust the class, the subject, between math and reading, the date, and you can switch between scores and minutes. For all of your students, you'll be able to see the current grade level they're working at for whichever subject you're viewing, the current skill that they're working on. Under the Today column, you can see if they're getting signed in each day and how they're answering their mood check-in. And for the last 5 days of school, you will see icons that show you how your students are performing, and you can hover over a specific day to get more information on exactly what they did. Also, you can switch over to minutes to see their estimated learning time. We log minutes for students as they complete activities. At the end of each activity, they're asked to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And once they do that, the activity is marked complete and their time is logged. You can set a goal for them at the top, and it will highlight any students for you that are not meeting that goal. And we recommend that you look for outliers here and follow up with students as needed. All right, our next tip for fostering accountability on eSpark is to have students take notes while they work. We have a few worksheets you can use to have your students keep track of their own progress. First, we have an awesome resource called the Student Accountability Log. Students complete this worksheet while working on eSpark by writing down the name of the activity they're working on, their instructions, and their responses. They can also evaluate themselves by noting if they started on time and if they stayed focused. This is a great tool for having them take responsibility and be accountable to their own work. Another option is our pre and post quiz tracker. This resource helps students keep track of their growth by writing down their score on their pre and post quizzes. It's a great way to build excitement about mastering skills. You can find both of these resources under the Sparktacular freebie section of your Home tab or by searching for them in our support feature. Let's take a quick look. You can go to your Home tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard and scroll down to Sparktacular freebies and click on Academic Resources. Or click on the blue chat in the bottom right corner and search for a specific resource. Thanks for learning about how to foster accountability on eSpark. Happy eSparking!